Seeking the perfect blend of compactness and firepower in a pocket-sized package? Look no further, as we present the top contenders in the world of 9mm pocket pistols. These micro powerhouses are designed to deliver both concealability and performance, making them ideal choices for concealed carry enthusiasts. Number 5. GLOCK 43. The GLOCK 43 stands as one of the most highly anticipated models to come from the GLOCK lineup, and it certainly lives up to the hype. With an overall length of 6.26 inches and a weight of 17.95 ounces when unloaded, this 6+1 capacity pistol finds itself on the slightly larger side of micro pistols, while still retaining its impeccable concealability. Boasting an aggressive grip texturing, the GLOCK 43 ensures a comfortable and controlled shooting experience. The inclusion of a generously sized magazine catch facilitates lightning-fast magazine reloads, adding to its efficiency in critical moments. What's more, this pistol doesn't break the bank, making it an affordable option without compromising on performance. The GLOCK 43 stands tall as a testament to GLOCK's commitment to innovation and quality, ready to meet the demands of concealed carry enthusiasts. Number 4. Ruger Max 9. Ruger leaps into the micro 9mm arena with the formidable Max 9, a pocket pistol that's poised to make its mark. Standing tall among its competitors, this striker-fired gem boasts an impressive capacity, neatly tucked into its compact frame. With options for both a 12-round extended magazine and a 10-round flush-fit counterpart, the Max 9 doesn't hold back when it comes to firepower. The 3.2-inch barrel adds to its excellence, while aggressive grip texturing ensures a firm hold, even in challenging conditions. The slide doesn't lag behind either, featuring ample cocking serrations that enhance functionality. Taking concealment up a notch, the Max 9 embraces modernity with a slide cut primed for a wide range of red dot optics. This forward-looking design caters to those who value both performance and innovation in their pocket pistol. Ruger's Max 9 proves that size doesn't dictate potential, delivering a compact powerhouse that's ready to contend in the micro 9mm arena. Number 3. Wilson COMBAT SFX9. A fresh perspective on the high-capacity, subcompact concealed carry pistol. While it may not fit the micro mold of the initial trendsetters, the SFX9 brings a unique twist with its 15+1 capacity, offering a powerful punch in a compact package. Setting itself apart from the crowd, the SFX9 stands as the sole representative of the esteemed 1911 family on this list. If you're an aficionado of John Moses Browning's timeless design and are seeking to modernize your carry firearm, the SFX9 demands your attention. Crafted by Wilson COMBAT, a name synonymous with top-tier craftsmanship, the SFX9 guarantees exceptional quality and construction. While not a typical micro pistol, its small frame paired with impressive capacity makes it a force to be reckoned with in the realm of concealed carry. The Wilson COMBAT SFX9 strikes a balance between tradition and innovation, offering a pocket-sized powerhouse that honors a classic lineage while catering to the demands of modern carry enthusiasts. Number 2. Ruger EC9S, a budget-friendly gem in the world of polymer-framed semi-automatics. With a 7+1 capacity and weighing 17.2 ounces, this compact powerhouse offers a blend of affordability and functionality that's hard to beat. Measuring at just 6 inches in length and less than 1 inch wide, the EC9S is designed for discreet carry without compromising on performance. Its integral slide sights contribute to its sleek profile. For added comfort, a finger extension can be added to the magazine, enhancing grip for a steady aim. However, what truly sets the Ruger EC9S apart is its attractive affordability. In a market where quality often comes at a premium, this pistol stands as a shining example of accessible excellence. Ruger's dedication to delivering a reliable, cost-effective option ensures that concealed carry enthusiasts can equip themselves without breaking the bank. Number 1. SMITH WESSON M&P CSX. Unveiled at SHOT Show 2022, the SMITH WESSON M&P CSX redefines the landscape of micro 9mm handguns. In a departure from its predecessors, this innovative single-action pistol challenges conventions and carves its own path. Unlike anything before it, the CSX boasts a metal frame design that's not quite a 1911. SMITH & Wesson fearlessly ventured into uncharted territory, during the CSX's creation, resulting in a compact and lightweight firearm. Crafted with an aluminum alloy frame, it effortlessly marries size and comfort, offering a snug fit in the hand without compromising on performance. Impressively, the CSX houses a 10+1 capacity within its diminutive frame, thanks to its flush-fitting magazines. Looking for more rounds? Extended 12-round magazines are also available, further enhancing its versatility. The CSX is more than just a micro-pistol. It's a testament to Smith & Wesson's commitment to innovation and adaptability. This pocket-sized powerhouse encapsulates a bold step forward, reflecting a harmonious blend of design, comfort, and capacity. The Smith & Wesson M&P CSX stands as a testament to the brand's dedication to pushing boundaries and redefining what a micro 9mm handgun can achieve. That's all for this video.